This is a lightning round of what a character set looks like. Let's see what Apple documentation says about character set. A character set is a Unicode character values for use in search operations. So a perfect example is, for example, if you want to look for only punctuations in a string, you could use character set dot punctuation, right? So it would search for all punctuations in a given string. Let's see character set in action. So here I'll create a character set called vowel set. Vowel set, I'll have a character set. As I said before, character set does come with some defaults. You could use punctuation characters. You could use alphanumerics, for example, if you want to search for alphabets and numbers in a string. But for our case, we want to create our own character set. So we'll go down to the initializer where character sets in string. I'll specify a string here. For example, aeiou for our vowels. I'll declare a name constant here, my name, and I will go ahead and use a string array. Why am I saying string array here for the constant? Because I'll be using components separated by in order for my string to be used with the character set. So the character set basically is aeiou. I go through my string, I separate it by my character set. It returns me only non-vowels in that case. So let's see what that looks like. So here I have name dot components separated by character set here. This is good. Character set is our vowel set. So far so good. I'll go ahead and print out my string array. Let's take a look at what it looks like. So here I will run my playgrounds and see what the result of my string array is. So my string array now has an empty string, the character L, character X. I do not want this empty string here, so I'll simply run filter function on my string here, on my array here, saying, hey, go ahead and for every string, look for the count, and I do not want any empty string, right? So that says where count is not equal to 0, for example, return me that. So it returns me an array where the count is not equal to 0. So let's see what that looks like now. Running my playgrounds. Now I get two characters or two strings in my array. I have an L and an X. So far so good. My character set was able to work, right? Because aeiou, A and E is in my name. So now it's stripped. Very good. So now let's go ahead and this is an array now. So I want a string back. What is that going to look like? So I'll simply say, create a constant here, call it stripped vowels, for example. And I'll simply say my string array, go ahead and join my strings here and return me a string. So join here is a function on an array. It joins the elements. It returns you a string. Now I have stripped vowels returned. So let's see what that looks like. So stripped vowels, as you see here, it's a string. Very good. I'll go ahead and play my playgrounds and see what the result is. So here I have the result LX. So far so good. It gets us where we want it to be. So basically my name, I stripped out the vowels, and now I have L and X. Again, joined basically joins the elements of an array. You could give joined a separator here, for example. I could pass in a dash if I want to put dashes between what I'm joining. And if I run it again, now I'll get the result L-X. So far so good. But in that case, we do not want any characters between our elements, so we simply do not pass in any characters in our string here. And our result is LX. So this is character set in a nutshell. It gives us access to a set of characters, and now we could perform any operation looking for those characters in a string. Thank you for seeing this lightning round where we went over character set. Again, more on character set on the Apple documentation here. If we simply search for character set Swift in Google, we'll come up with character set where it's a structure in Apple documentation. Thank you so much.